Hi, Tweetie here. Wanted to thank you for stopping in. If you're a first timer, take a look down in our links below under the description for things you might be interested in, and look over our playlist. This one is about getting your gas tank full. Yes, you'll have to stop at a gas station more frequently, but if that bothers you, just think about how much you will regret it if the gas stations are tapped off or can't be used and they're closed because of the run on gas and you are running on empty. If you keep your gas tank above halfway, you will be ready for any situation at any time. And you never know, with the upcoming elections and the crazy situation this world is in right now, that it would be better to always be prepared. Sounds like a Girl Scout or Boy Scout motto. Anyway, if this tip has helped you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe so you know what we're doing next, and see you later. Angels all around.